and you're twisting it this way towards you, yeah? Cool. You got it? So keep it level as well. Twist, 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 twist. Keep going. Keep going.
Look at this,
Still got it.
amazing.
Have a look at it. Are you happy with the twist? You do more or are you happy?
You want to do more?
Oh, yeah.
More
Go on.
twist, yeah?
Before it gets too cold. Right, we'll do one more. It's starting to get pretty bouncy now.
Oh, nice, dude.
Fantastic, buddy. Good stuff.
Perfect.
Nice. Okay, make sure you're holding onto it with the glove. We'll let it go. Good stuff.
Nice.
Yep,
Yeah.
throw it back in.
That was brilliant. Can I see? Oh, that's really like it. Looks, yeah. The wand is looking really amazing. Nice.
Here we go. Nice, darling.
You can let go now.
Satisfying.
Okay, we're going to take turns. So we're going to hold it this way. Stand on that side. And then start twisting this way. So you're going to stand here. I'm going to give you this handle. You're going to give me the other handle. So keep going, pushing harder.
Go, Charlie.
Push, 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 push. Keep pulling. Pull, 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 pull. Yep.
Yes.
Push, 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 push. Pull, pull, pull. Good. Have a look. Are you happy with how it looks so far?
Do you like your twist?
Do you want
Keep
a bit of
going.
twist or more? Yeah, a bit more.
A bit more? Alright, keep going. Push, 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 push. You gotta push for me.
You have to do put the
You gotta
muscle
push.
in.
Yeah.
You
Good.
gotta
There
do
you
it.
go. Now it's moving.
Look at that. Have a look. Is that enough? Have a look. Yeah.
Take it off. Have a look.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Need your glove?
You need that glove. You got it. Got hold of it. Cool.
Oh, nice.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Really cool.
Yeah, you're the last one to twist.
All right.
Scrape off the bits so that all
After you've done the twisting, you have
It's all right. Just move mine aside a bit. No, not with your bare hands. There you go. Nice and easy. That's it. Get a good grip, and then perfect.
Down you go, down you go. A bit further up.
Yeah.
Perfect. You can let go now. Stand on the opposite to me. Put it in this way, nice and close. Let's go a little higher. Yep. Cool, alright. Exchange, handle. Good stuff. You're going to push too. Yeah, you're going to push. Yeah, good stuff.
I like it. You like that?
More?
Are you sure? Do you want more twist or no?
Just a little twist. Beautiful.
Enough?
Perfect.
Good stuff, buddy.
Oh,
Alright.
Nice,
Where's your glove?
Sonny.
All right.
We'll put that on the bench on the table.
So shall we go
there.
and grab all the other ones now and
Yeah.
put them there as well?
Yeah, they're going to get locked up with an ankle grinder. So
Okay.
pop it onto the bench and let it cool down. Cool.
Oh, look at your wand. That's the biggest, fattest wand I've ever seen.
It's a star.
It's a star.